Hi everyone. I'm going to show you how when it comes time for you to choose, when you feel the need to sell off some shares of a stock, that in the Fidelity app, I use Fidelity to invest in the stock market, the New York Stock Exchange. But if you go into the app, you can choose which shares you want to sell. Now, I just want to show you something before I show you this, because it's interesting. Bakkt. Now, the example I'm using with in my Fidelity account is a stock that is the Bakkt stock. It's just called something else right now. They're going to rename it Bakkt. But right now I'm in the process of waiting for verification of my identity I had to send in because I want to activate the Bakkt card because I'm earning points and the reward points that I could spend if I shop through this app, like connect my reward cards to this app, and I want to cash out and I want to start using it. And the only way you can do that is if you have a Bakkt card. You can add it to digital wallets, choose the way you want to pay, just so you know that. And it is FDIC insured. Let's go back to this. And that's this company, VPC Impact Acquisition Holdings. But soon they're going to change their name to bakkt. Okay, I want to do this right. I'm in the stock. I own, if you look at the top right, top left, top left, I own 275 shares. And the most recent value was $3,025. I haven't bought shares in a long time because this is the only stock that's not considered a penny stock in my stock market portfolio, just so you know that. So I use this one as an example. I'm going to tap on sell. You see the top three blue buttons on top? I'm going to tap on sell. And what you want to do is go to other ways to buy. Buy using stop, trailing, or extended hours trading offers. And when you get in here, the symbol is VIH for now, Impact Acquisition Holdings, and my action is sell. But underneath the action, you want to tap that arrow that points down to open up more choices. And you want to tap on sell specific shares. And I'm not going to fill in how many quantity, but underneath that, you see in the blue, select tax lots. You see that? In baby blue, select tax lots. And I'm going to tap on the arrow that's pointing to the right. It's going to open up another page. And this is my history of buying this stock. Now, this is what I want to do. Hold on a moment. Let me see if I can do this right. 1 second. I hope I can. Oh, it's different from the phone. Okay. I'll hold on a moment. Okay. I plan on, if it stays below I should have showed you that. If it stays below oh, where was that? My average is $12 and something cents. Let me go back a little bit. I could bring it up here. Previous price, most recent price, cost basis total. Let me go here again. Tap here. I know my cost per share is 12 something. Okay, I'm going to go back here, guys. Go to sell specific shares. Just so you know that. I'm still learning the app. But the point of showing you this is, I'm going to scroll down. When the time comes at 9.90, 9.91, you see the shares that I bought for $10.19 $11.09, $11.03, 10.83, 10.80 per share, 13.74 per share. That was in the beginning. April 6th, 13.70 per share, 13.81, 14. Wow, I did pay more. Okay, that's okay. What I'm going to do is I don't know why I can't close this. Let me try this. Oh, okay. Hold on. I'm coming. I'm learning. This is a part of learning. Good enough. Good enough. What I want to do is I only own 275 shares of this one stock that's not considered a penny stock. With Fidelity, I believe, penny stocks are $3 and under. So I know I'm going to sell off like 25 or 50 of them in the near future because I have a lot of things coming up and I'm getting myself ready for when there's a change and the stocks go up. And I really believe all the stocks I own are going up, and that includes crypto. I want to sell off the stocks that I paid the most for, gain a little bit of a profit in the near future, which will bring my cost basis per share more low. So instead of $12, and I was doing it on my phone, but I wanted to do it on my iPad. I'm updating my apps, and it's a little different. It's $12.47, I believe, my cost basis per share. Well, I want to sell off the ones I paid the most for, well, like we'll say 6 months from now. And I'm using the app. I have the app on the phone. And I'm waiting for them to approve my verification so I can use the virtual card, the bakkt virtual card. That's this company that I'm using the app. I invested in the company. I believe in their forward thinking that we'll say 6 months from now, 3 months from now, 6 months from now, oh boy, it's worth $30 or $40. I'm going to sell off like 25 or 50 of them, but I'm going to sell off the ones that cost the most and leave the rest for the future because I believe this app will be worth so much more. We'll break 100. That's how I feel. It's just a gut feeling. So as long as it stays down, you guys follow me. I get my tax refund. I was planning on buying like a dozen more because that's a little pricey for someone like me right now. I'm all about penny stocks and I'm all about crypto. I like the way you could buy fractional shares in crypto, put a little bit toward a cryptocurrency. I believe in cryptocurrency. But I wanted to show you this. Let me go back. Again, I'm doing it on my iPad, which I haven't done in a long time. And I'm going to browse through. I want to sell the 1418. I want to sell the 1423. And when you tap on it, it'll say apply all quantity or enter custom quantity. Well, it says 0 of 12 shares. If I tap, I believe I bought 12 shares that day. 12 of 12 shares. You see that? Do you see that? I hope you do. I'll do another one. Apply all quantity. 12 of 12 shares. I guess I bought 12 at a time. You forget after a while. And then you can tap it again and clear selected lots, clear selected lots, clear selected lots. Hold on. Oh gosh. Good enough. I hope you learned something because I've been listening to a lot of videos. I've been studying the best I can. And my electrician friend, we touch base every couple of months. He's the one who told me about this. He told me about that you can choose specific shares of a stock to sell. Well, if I really believe in a company and times get a little tough and I need to sell off some, I'm going to sell the highest ones, take a little bit of a profit, and a few years from now, take a great big profit because my cost per basis will go lower because I'm selling off the highest cost shares. I hope that makes sense. I hope you learned something. Um, I'm just excited that I understand that. And I'm going to treat crypto that way if I can. I'm going to find out if I can. Because why would I want to sell off, the cheapest ones now when I believe in a few years from now, okay, I need to sell off a few. I need a few $100 or $1,000. Just say, well, in a few years from now, they're going to be worth, five, 10, $15,000. So keep the shares you paid the lowest for. So in the future, you gain more of a profit. You have more gain, more return on investment. Okay, I'll see you in the next video clip. Sorry, this video was a little sloppy. However, I got through it, and I'm learning how to use this iPad better. And apps work very differently. And there's also great features once you learn how to use them, like choosing specific stocks, specific shares of stocks to sell. I'll see you later. Good luck, everyone. Visit all the links in the description below. Bye, guys.